wish you a very happy new year. And I know I am a bit late in wishing that, but first Wednesday fell on 6th of January, so I can't help it, guys. And follow me on Instagram because there I am too updated. Well, I'm Mansi from Readers and Creators. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is about first TBR video on my booktube, first yearly video of 2021 and first monthly TBR of 2021. So many firsts in New Year. This is January TBR 2021 and I'm pretty excited about managing all my TBRs in this year. But last year I have read 89 books and this year I have just mentioned 90 books in my Goodreads challenge because I have to attend classes and I am preparing for my exams, so I think I might not be doing so much reading, but yeah, I can't skip it altogether. So without any further delay, let's dive into our video. First in the list is They Both Die at the End by Adam Silvera. This is young adult fiction and Adam Silvera is an American author. I have already read this book in just 2 days and I love this. I seriously love this. I'm totally in love with this. But I'm confused. Should I make this my best choice to read at the beginning of year or the worst? Because this book broke me. It made me cry. And this was my first book of the year. So this is my worst choice. But this has the power to make me cry. So this is my best choice. I am confused. If you can simplify that for me, just tell me in comments. So yeah, this book, brilliant. It will lump you. It will just, it will hurt you, but it's brilliant. Just read it. It's about two teenage boys, Rufus and Matthew, who are going to die in next 24 hours. And they try to live their life in that single day. It's seriously so good and you will just be nostalgic about your teenage days because we are 24 or 23 or 25 and we haven't. Okay, let's not go there. Be here. And about the writing, okay, just assume if an author is capable of telling a single day event in 370 pages, how interesting that writing would be. So just go read this and find this out. I love this book. I love this. And I have read young adult fiction as my first read of 2021. I'm proud of myself. Next in the list is The God of Small Things by Arundhati Roy. Now this book has been on my library shelf for so long and my mama owed this from, I have been seeing this book here from many years and whenever I try to pick this up, he will say, it's an intense read. Read when you are ready. So I think I am ready now and he didn't stop me this time, so I guess. And I'm gonna read this. I have heard so many good things about it. I have also done a video on Arundhati Roy, link here and in description box. And I was curious to read her work. I have read articles and non-fiction works of her, but not any fictional work. That's just two. But yeah, I'm excited about reading this. I am 10 pages into it and so far I'm liking it, but there are too many characters that I have to reread the whole paragraph. So let's see. Also, this book was a debut novel by the author and it got Booker's Prize. Just assume. I have so many high expectations from this book. Although I have a history of not getting impressed by books which are so much hyped, but let's see. Let's find out. We will find out. Next in the list is Prelude to Be Right by Annie Zeddy. Annie Zeddy is an Indian author and this book was long listed in JCB Prize for Literature 2020 and I have all the books in my wish list from JCB Prize 2020 and I got my hands on this one because the price dropped and I'm going to buy all that and read every one of them. And yeah, excited about reading this one. This is so pretty and it's a fictional book, but it holds some political things like Hindu, Muslim. This is a story of 3 generations of two families, Hindu and Muslim. So for Indian readers, I think this will work in a different way. So let's find out. Last in the list is Born a Crime by Trevor Noah. Now Trevor Noah is a comedian, a well-known comedian, and when you see a person on a screen and laugh on his jokes, and then you find out there's a book about him, his life story, well, that curiosity is of different level. So I picked this up and I'm so excited about reading, about knowing someone else's life story whom I have seen on the screen. And this is autobiographical and biographical and humor. So I think after all these intense reads, I will be finally reading humor at the end of the month. So it will just compensate all that intensity. And yeah, I have 4 books in my January TBR, but if I finish them before the end of month, I might finish this book which I have left. I know, I have talked about this in my previous videos, in my last book of 2020, in my end of year book tag, and I don't know in how many more videos it will keep coming from the back, jumping, hey, finish me. And there's like only 10 to 20 pages left and I'm not reading this. And it's not like I don't like this book. It's not like I don't like this story. I love this. I am also somewhere curious about knowing what happened next. But I'm not reading this. It's just not happening. Readers problems. # reader problems. I don't know. I seriously don't know. So I might finish this if I finish all these before time. So yeah, can we include this in my TBR? And it will keep coming in every month's TBR, I think. That's it. And yeah, I have included only 4 books because I have to study too and many more works. So yeah, that's it. That was my first video. Show all the love you can, and I'm gonna keep coming back with more TBRs, with more book tags, with wrap-ups, and I've planned by 2021, sorted that out. And yeah, tell me if you want me to make video about some books or tags or anything. Just tell me in comments, and yeah, keep reading, be happy, bye bye.